Hi, Pacey here. Today I thought I'd do a different sort of video. I'm going to be doing a sort of taste test video of a Japanese treat. I think it's a treat anyway. Uh, got sent to me a few days ago from a friend in Japan, and I just like to zoom in on this word, which translates to delicious. And also this here, that's the actual product, that's a window. Yeah. Now I have sort of already opened it. It is very sticky. Very, very sticky. I can smell soy sauce. Yeah, it smells like soy sauce. And I think it may be seaweed. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, I guess I'll try it and taste it, see what it tastes like. It's very tough, I haven't broken off anything yet. Tastes alright. Doesn't look too appetizing, but doesn't taste too bad. Surprising. So this is a Japanese sort of food. If you can read that kanji, could you please tell me what it means? I know what these two are. I cannot quite read that because it's in a sort of a different form. Well, I'm used to a different style. This thing is still on date. Oh no, this is that right? That was not the date, sorry. Don't know if there is a use I can't see it anymore. Anyway, I think it's very chewy. Like, I find it really hard to get a bite out of it. But it tastes alright. Nice aftertaste, too. So, if you see this anywhere, do not be alarmed. It doesn't taste too bad. If you want to see any more of these sorts of videos, please leave a comment down below. Or if you want to leave a comment on any other sort of videos you want me to do, just put that down below this video. And also check out my Facebook page, www.facebook.com/PaceyVids. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.